this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome to your computer or laptop. So to go and download Google Chrome, we first need to open up an internet browser. So what I would recommend doing is coming over to the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Edge and clicking on the Microsoft Edge application. Now, if you don't have Microsoft Edge, then you'll need to use something else. This could be Firefox or something like that. And once you're on the internet browser, we just need to click on the address bar at the top here and go and search for Google Chrome and press enter. Now click on this top website here, Google Chrome official site, and then we can click on this big blue download Chrome button. Once it's finished downloading, it's going to end up in your downloads folder in the top right hand side. And what you can do is just click on this file to go and open it, and we can then go through the steps on the screen to download and install this to our computer. Once it's finished downloading, you can just come over to the Start menu and search for Chrome, and you'll be able to open up the Google Chrome application. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.